Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Just blocking in the shapes. This is a pretty scared looking little kitty in a cage, and my guess is was trapped by a rescue and not sure what's going on. So it's in that little crouch they get when they're a little bit scared or a lot scared. She's just working out the shapes here. A little bit messy down there, but that's okay. That's how we find our way, right? And if you want to capture the look of a scared kitty, the pupils need to be a little bit larger because apparently their pupils get bigger when they're scared so they can have better peripheral vision to be able to see all around them in case something is going to get them. And those pupils could be even bigger. But it's also nice to have some space in there between the edge of the eyes and the pupils to help the pupils stand out. So it all depends on what look you want to capture. And my kitty's looking a little happier than the one in the photo, but that's okay. Because that's just what I went with. And I just like to let my cats become what they are. In some cases, I like to match more of the photo than anything, but most of the time I just like my cats to become what they are and aim for expression. What do you want to learn about cat drawing? I would love to see a comment letting me know, because I'm always looking for ideas for new videos. I want to do what people want to see. So if you drop me a comment and say video idea in capital letters, and it makes it easier for me to find it. And if it's within my realm, I'll do my best to get it on there. I like the look I've captured so far. You know, it's kind of a part-way look between a scared kitty and a sort of anticipatory kitty. I don't know if I'm saying that word right. Looking like maybe life is going to get a little bit easier. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.